lustrous in the fertile ground of the municipality of Numancia, with various honorific titles, formerly known as the Ilang-Ilang Town of Aklan, and now the Lechon capital of Aklan. Bangkaya is a vital and notable figure in Panay and the province. Numancia Highlands take pride as he firstly ruled the Nilaro in Aklan among the 10 Bornean datos, where Majanos, now Numancia, was its capital. The great history of Aklan marked its chronicled setting to where now Numancia is located. From a brave man, Bangkaya, teamed with valored beauties. The grandest beauty pageant in Aklan over 4 decades had woven a tapestry of history in the field of world-class parade and celebration of women empowerment, an avenue to showcase and celebrate beauty, intelligence, grace, resilience. Its resiliency over 40 long years of existence as the Miss Numancia pageant itself withstood many challenges over time. Now, the first chieftain of Aklan and Aklan's longest celebration of Numanciahanon, Women of Beauty, come together on the vibrant streets of Calibo in the 2025 Calibo Ati-Atian Festival, sharing the rich culture and magnificent treasures from its grassroots. Bangkaya's beauties are two bountiful blessings and historical contributions of Numanciahanos to the province of Aklan. Arriba mga Minoro ni Bangkaya! Arriba mga kababayan sa Numancia! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Viva! Arriba Numancia! Ladies and gentlemen, our Numancia beauties!